Well, I'm here with Lawrence Blakeney, the head of Powertrain at Vertical Aerospace, to talk about the future of urban mobility. Now, first of all, what is urban mobility?
Good question. So urban mobility, in our case, it's looking at transforming what is already there. So you could take helicopter operations and really trying to take it to the next level. So helicopter operations are limited by cost and limited by their safety in some flying zones, and particularly limited by noise. And we're able to tackle these challenges through introduction of an electrical system, an electrical propulsion system. It's quieter, it's safer through redundancy. As you can see, we've got multiple propulsors, and it's much cheaper to run.
Now, at the moment, we're talking sustainability with an aim of being carbon neutral by 2050, which is a huge target, and we know how important that is. So how can something like the machinery that you're developing help us achieve that target?
And this vehicle, we're starting from the ground up, and it's a purely electrical powertrain. So we have zero emissions. So in a city application, all we will be doing is removing emissions from the environment. It's battery powered. We'll be charging as you do an EV car, and so we're going to build on that network that's already being deployed.
Now, we've got some noise behind us. That's not electric, that's for sure. But when we talk about electrical propulsion, when we talk about cars, for example, we're always talking about range anxiety. What is the aim for the distances you'll be able to travel in something like this?
So we're targeting a maximum range for about 100 miles, but we're really seeing the opportunity for the business case, particularly in the first deployment, to be in the kind of 20-30 mile range. So here you could be going from downtown London to Heathrow, or Heathrow to the south coast, or maybe even up to Cambridge. So that kind of range, and it's going to be a quick turnover. So the aircraft will be doing shuttle runs. People talk about it being air taxi. It feels like it's a bit more than that, but if you have that concept in your mind, it really is that kind of short hop.
Yeah, I think that's the kind of the achievable way of thinking about it. My final question is, when do we expect something like this to be a part of what we see in our skies?
Well, we see the demand now. Unfortunately, we don't have the vehicle ready now, but we're looking at certification in 2024 and then entry into service in 2025. So it's that kind of timescale.
Very rapid. Lawrence, thank you very much.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.